Hi, Grandma. I missed you so much. I have the biggest story. Wait, can you hear me? Grandma. No, I'm still here.
Sometimes connectivity can mean everything.
This cannot be happening.
Finding a constant and reliable connection can still be a struggle.
Can you hear me?
Fortunately, the new BlackVue DR970X LTE dashcam makes it easy for you and your vehicle to stay connected anywhere, anytime. With the DR970X LTE, we've combined our top-of-the-line 4K dashcam with simple LTE connectivity using the built-in SIM card reader. Now, you can rest easy knowing that your dashcam is always capturing critical moments in ultimate detail while automatically backing event footage up to the cloud for safekeeping. You'll enjoy the benefits of BlackVue's parking mode as well as cloud features such as event notifications and live event upload. And with seamless pairing, setting up your dashcam is easier than ever before. No need for passwords or scanning QR codes. The BlackVue DR970X LTE dashcam also doubles as a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices, allowing passengers to hop online from your dashcam while on the go. Get the best 4K dashcam protection and ultimate cloud connectivity with the DR970X LTE.